Welcome back to Good Morning Vail. Joining us now, we have Dee Dee Doolittle. She is with Slifer Smith and Frampton Real Estate, here to let us know about a great property down valley, near the airport, wide open spaces, BLM land, accessible easily. Tell us a little bit about Hawk's Nest in Buckhorn Valley.
Absolutely. Well, thanks for having me this morning. It's, as you said, the location is really one of the best parts of this property. It's located in Upper Buckhorn Valley, which is just a stone's throw from the Jet Center, just a little bit south of there. And it's wide open spaces and absolutely gorgeous. Surrounded by mountains, Castle Peak views, hiking trails right out your back door. I mean, it has everything that everybody that's looking for the Colorado lifestyle has.
And what happens a lot is people can get more house for their money, get that garage, and here it is.
Here it is, a big 2-car garage. In fact, an oversized 2-car garage. There's room for 2 cars and all of your toys.
Yes. Yeah, you can actually put your cars in the garage.
In the garage, exactly. So these are new homes. So this is a brand new development. They're duplex homes. They really live like a single family. Each home has a really nice wide open floor plan. So there's lots of opportunity of how you'd like to set up the home. Again, the windows are huge. So there's just views and views and views to the surrounding mountains. The finishes are fabulous. As you can see, wood floors, granite tile countertops, stainless steel appliances. So they really have a nice, comfortable, homey, yet modern feel to them. As you can see out that window, look at those mountains. Isn't that fabulous?
Oh, I know. And you get a little bit of a longer summer season there. It starts earlier, it ends later.
You certainly do. We've been having open houses there the last few weeks, and even when it's been snowing up Valley, we've been in our t-shirts out in the yard at some of the days. So the homes all have fenced-in yards. So a lot of people are looking for that, you know, the attributes of a single-family home for the pricing of not a single family home.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
And fenced in yards for all those
fenced
dogs.
In yards for dogs, kids, whatever you need to keep fenced in. It's great. The homes are in an HOA, so it's easy lock and go living. So the HOA takes care of the exterior of the building, the yard, the mowing, the landscaping, the irrigation's taken care of. So really, if it would work for someone who wants to live here full time, which most of our owners are doing so far, but it could be a great little vacation home too.
Oh yeah, and you know what? It's so nice to have that all taken care of, because with our busy lifestyle and we want to get out there and have fun hiking or biking, we don't have to be doing the yard work during the summertime.
So here you get that 2-car garage, you get that kind of single family home feel, but yet you don't have to spend your Saturdays mowing your yard. You get to be out biking.
And you have some that are ready now, some that will be ready this summer.
Exactly. So we have inventory, which is fabulous. We have a few homes that are complete and ready to move in now if someone's ready to do that. Or we have kind of a progression of construction throughout the summer where there'll be homes ready pretty much every month throughout the summer.
Yeah. It's amazing how much things have grown down Valley as well, with anything from grocery stores to restaurants, fitness centers. It's kind of a mecca between the Eagle Ranch, and then Buckhorn Valley, Gypsum, Stratton Flats, everything.
Oh, it's great. Absolutely. There's so many events now. It seems like every year the events just keep growing and growing. And yes, with the rec centers, so many wonderful activities.
And what's the best way to see these homes? Is it by appointment or open house?
Appointment absolutely is great. I'm happy to meet anyone out there and give them a tour of the property. And then we have open houses on the weekends, so look in the Vail Daily for those open house times.
Okay, and if we want to drive there, get a look, what are the directions?
The easiest way, everyone's been to Costco, right? So take a left at Costco, keep on going, take a left on Buckhorn Valley Boulevard, and you'll find it.
Okay, you definitely will. It is Hawk's Nest at the Upper Buckhorn Valley. Great prices on these homes, and the oversized double-car garage is definitely a draw. You can contact Dee Dee via her website, VailDD, that's DIDI.com. We're going to find out about the weather and if we have more snow in the forecast with Mark.